G'day, I've got an interesting problem today. I want to share with you how I'm going to resolve it. Basically, my problem is in Adobe Illustrator, I've got a whole bunch of symbols that I've been drawing, and what I want to do is I want to resize each one of these objects. As you can see, some of them I've already resized, some of them I haven't. I've been making an absolute mess of this and I want to tidy it up. Now, I could go through the list here one by one, and as you can see, I started doing that, resizing over here to 50 millimeters. That's really slow and tedious, and I've got hundreds of these little sketches that I need to resize. So what I'm going to do now is share with you how I can create a script to come and automate that process. So I'm going to right-click Notepad and click Run as Administrator. I've got my untitled text document here. I'll now paste the script into the text document. I'll put a link to the script files in a Google Drive or something like that. I'll make sure that this script is available to you there. I'm now going to click File Save As, and I'm going to save that document in the local disk. Program Files, Adobe Illustrator, Presets, English, Scripts. I'll name this document Batch Selection Resize Tool. I'm going to change .txt to all files, and I will give this an extension of JSX, just like the other scripts that are in that folder. Click on Save. Close Notepad. I'll now restart Adobe Illustrator. Open up my file. Alright, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click this to select all of the items on that layer. I'll go to File, Scripts, Batch Selection Resize Tool, and I'm going to change the desired height of all of those to 30 millimeters. Click OK, and voila, all of my grouped little sketches are now equal in size. So that's it. That's how we can batch resize a bunch of different selected objects in Adobe Illustrator. Thanks for watching. See you later.